Oh my god, the kid.
But just remember, that's how Topper was when I first started riding him. He was kind of the same way. Now he's changed so much.
Yeah.
And he's going pretty good, though.
Oh. Nice ride. Hey, Josie. Well, forget it. He can wait. I was going to have him get Topper for Bob, but...
Can you breathe yet? Almost. You need a sip of water?